Have you lost your Snapchat streak with your friend? If you have, then you've come to the right video, because I'm exactly going to show you the step-by-step process to recover your snap streaks on Snapchat. Now there is one criteria when the snap streak will end. If you don't send a snap to your friend for 24 hours, your snap streak will be immediately removed. So you need to make sure that you send snaps every 24 hours to maintain that snap streak. But if you had maintained and you had sent snaps every 24 hours and your streaks still disappeared, in this case, let me show you the process of recovering it. Let's head over to Snapchat. From your Snapchat, head over to your profile icon or the Bitmoji on the top left. From this section, tap on the settings icon on the top right and just scroll down until you see an option of I need help. Tap on this option and it's going to take you to the support page of Snapchat. Inside of the support page, you'll see an option of I lost my snap streak. Tap on this option. After you do that, this page will open up where I lost my snap streak will be automatically selected. From here, you just need to scroll down and again tap on or select the option which says how do I restore my snap streak. Once you select this option, if you scroll down, you'll have a form. You just need to fill in this form. So this form includes your username, email address, and your mobile number first of all. And then further down, you will also need to enter in the device that you're currently using the Snapchat on. Make sure to enter all of these information correctly. Next, you'll also need to enter in your friend's username with whom you lost the snap streak with. And you'll also need to enter in the exact date you started to have this issue. So type in the date in this format. And the last two options, it says optional. You may or may not fill them up, but I suggest you to fill them up. Enter in the number of snap streaks that you had before it was expired. And then lastly, also add in, did you see the icon? Just tap on no. If you see this icon, it generally means that the snap streak will end because you did not send a snap within 24 hours. So make sure you select this to no, and then you'll need to type in the detailed explanation. So type in everything that happened to you related to you losing your snap streak. Once you type in all this information, you can just tap on submit. Once you submit this request to Snapchat, Snapchat should help you in recovering your snap streaks if you did not stop sending each other snaps within the 24-hour window. So that was the exact process on how to recover Snapchat streaks. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll soon be back with more informative videos similar to this, and if you want more informative videos related to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel.